Hi, in this video I want to go over my soil kit test that I did. I used the Yard Mastery soil kit and I did it on August 1st and I got my results on August 8th. So it took about a week to get the results, which is really fast. And I believe they received the sample in a few days from the mail date. So these are my results. Now, a couple of things I wanted to highlight is my pH is pretty low. It's 5.3. It should be between 6 to 7.2. So my solution to amend that is I'm going to put down Jonathan Green's Magical, which is kind of a version of lime. It has calcium carbonate that is soluble. It's going to dissolve faster into the soil and help raise the pH. The other thing I have here is the nitrogen is low, but because it's the summertime, you don't want to put too much nitrogen into your soil. So I'm not too worried about that right now. I am putting fertilizers and things like that when I do my lawn renovation. So that I'm going to take care of later. My phosphorus is high, not that high though. I mean, the range should be 5 to 11 and I'm 11.1, so it's right about where it should be. The potassium is low, so I'm planning to put down the Summer Stress by Yard Mastery, and actually it's one of the things recommended in the fertilizer recommendation section of your results. So I'm definitely going to be putting that down to help amend the potassium. Sulfur, I'm not too worried about, though it is kind of interesting that my sulfur levels are really high. I did put Milorganite down already a couple of times, so that might be the reason. But I'm not sure if that's something I need to worry about. It is extremely high compared to the other things. And the other thing I see is iron is pretty low, which is interesting because 2 weeks before I did this test, I did put down some ironite. I don't know if that's just what happens is the iron gets used up, and so it's not going to be in the soil anymore. I'm not sure. I'm going to be putting down ironite in the fall and Milorganite as well. Milorganite has iron in it, so it will help with the soil. And then let's see what we got here. Zinc is pretty high, not that much high though. It should be 0.1 to 0.25, it's 0.28, so I'm not too worried about that. And boron is pretty low. I'm not really sure what boron does, so if you know what boron does to the soil, please leave a comment below. The Summer Stress fertilizer does contain some boron, so hopefully that will also amend that. But my biggest thing here is the pH and the potassium. Those are the two things I'm mainly concerned with. And again, for pH, I'm going to put down Magical Plus by Jonathan Green. And for the potassium, I'm going to be putting down the Summer Stress fertilizer that Yard Mastery provides on their website. So that is my game plan, and I'll have videos showing what I did.